Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear Madrasa parents and well-wishers of Eden Foundation, the media team of Eden Foundation, they've only given me 1 minute 30 seconds to get my message across. Alhamdulillah, as you know, we have bought this property in August of 2021, which cost us 750,000. And then after that, we invested about £40,000 of money to renovate the sisters area upstairs, where we made a new prayer hall and good toilet facilities for sisters. And in July 2022, alhamdulillah, we started the phase 2 work, where the brothers' toilets and wood facilities, all this needed upgrading. Alhamdulillah, we've done it. And the overflow prayer hall, where the alim class and the hifz class sits, alhamdulillah, all of that has been completed. This is costing us approximately £100,000. Alhamdulillah, most of the work is complete. We are appealing to our madrasa parents and to the entire Muslim community to help us at the moment. We are just looking for 150 families to donate £500 or 300 families to donate £250 towards this project to complete. Please come forward and help us. The first time since we bought the building, I'm directly appealing to our madrasa parents to help us with your family and friends. Please help us as much as you can, and let's complete this project here. Jazakumullah khair, ahsan al-jaza. Allah accept your generous donation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
عفوك إني للنور مدت يداي